this is Stephen Foster, author of Awakening the Actor Within, with your check-in. Okay, so each week, one of the most important things in my workbook and in my work is actually doing a weekly check-in. Now, what you want to do is you're not looking for perfection. You're looking for progress. You're looking for the things that you actually accomplished. So you want to keep your check-in on the things that you've done or the things that you still need to do, but only in a positive, sequential way. So, I mean, you don't want to go, oh, I want to book a sitcom, and then, not take any actions and then feel bummed out that you didn't get one. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to keep it focused on your actions and what you did actually accomplish this particular week. And so the way I do it is I ask myself, how many days did I write my I remember? So ask yourself, how many days did I write my I remembers? And we're going for 7 out of 7 days. And then you want to ask, what script did I read this week? And write down in your notebook what script you read, and also write what characters you liked. Or did you not like it? Did you hate it? That's good evidence too. The third question I want to ask you is, did you experience any synchronicity this week? Did you have any doors open? Anything come in from the side door? Any lucky breaks, as we call them? Because I think if you write those down, you actually start finding more and more of them, and you actually become more and more excited as you go through the course, because you'll start to see that it's actually working for you. And then the final question is, what issues did you have this week? And these can be anything. These can be arranged from, I had a fight with my boyfriend, I got dropped by my agent, I had to get a day job, or I got fired from my job. These could be anything. Any issues that you had this week go in this category. And you want to keep a track of these, because they also can be potential blocks for you as you go through the book. So do your check-in thoroughly in your notebook, and if you feel comfortable and if you have an acting buddy, definitely share those on a weekly basis. And what you're going to see is that steadily you're growing in strength and confidence as the course goes along. Okay, so do your weekly check-in and share it with someone. Thank you.